the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Has its compassion to protect us declined, or what? It is because these kinds of things occur to us that we are not omniscient in all things, that we do not have the power to be of help, that the river of our compassionate projects is dammed, and that we have the problems there are in falling toward a position of passiveness. For those who understand the deeds of unceasing compassion to have an origin, or to have no origin, the sun of blazing jewels has set. They have no freedom from the irons of samsara. They are stuck in the mind of conceptualized samsara. They will not get away from the Vajra needle. Non-dual wisdom is obvious. It does not dwell in our grasping for definitions, but they claim that the base and the designated are dual, and on this reverted pathway they fall into samsara. In reality, this duality does not exist, but they engage in the conceptions of their thoughts about everything. They are debaters about extremes. In reality, this has nothing to do with arguing. We use the yoga of an awareness that engages consequences to engage in the significance of self-luminous awareness. Our works of compassion diffuse everywhere. The significance of this is given to us as if it were a precious jewel. The inconceivable blessings there are in our works shine out, being the wisdom of knowledge itself. They bring aid to living beings. They are fair to everyone. All of them have the form of the bliss of clear light, the blessings of undeceived awareness, while having no origin or applications, are obvious throughout. This is apparent to us in everything, as if we were drawn in by the conditions of the sea. We are subsumed within ourselves. The state of this knowledge, while maintaining all understanding and awareness, does not overlap into the state of compassion. This is taught in the same way that it is exemplified, as are fire and heat. A victorious one that does not have compassion, and a wisdom that has an awareness of clarity, are both useless things that bring no results. Even if we find them, they are boring. They have no purpose. The wisdom in which everything is self-luminous does not harbor conceptions about pairs or dualities. Its blessings are like the light of the sun. They do not come or go.